Hello friends, welcome back to our 37 in 1 sensor series. Today we are discussing about our third sensor, that is the joystick. Start with the introduction. The joystick uses a biaxial potentiometer to control the X and Y axis. When it pushed down, it activates a switch. It is based on the PS2 controller's joystick. It is used to control a wide range of projects like RC vehicles or the LED based projects. Imagine a volume control or other knob. These controllers are generally made from potentiometers, which are variable resistors. By connecting the potentiometer as a voltage divider, you can get a varying voltage out of a device, which can be fed to an analog to digital converter on a microprocessor. This allows the software to read the knob position. These joysticks contain two potentiometers connected with a gimbal mechanism that separates the horizontal and vertical movements. The potentiometers are the two green or black boxes on the side of the joystick. If you move the joystick while watching the center shaft of each potentiometer, you will see that each of the potentiometer pick up movement in only one direction. This joystick also contains a switch which activates when you push down on the cap. The switch is the small black box on the rear of the joystick. If you push down on the cap, you can see a lever pushing down on the head of the switch. The lever works no matter that position the joystick is in. As you know, the joystick module consists of two 10K potentiometers perpendicular positioned to control the X and Y axis by changing the resistance when the joystick is moved. A push button is activated when the joystick is pushed down the Z axis. Its operating voltage is 3.3 volt to 5 volt. The board dimension is 2.6 cm into 3.4 cm. Now consider on the circuit diagram. We will use a couple of analog pins on the Arduino to read the value from the joystick potentiometer and a digital pin to read values from the switch. The ground pin of the joystick connected to the ground pin of the Arduino. The plus 5 volt is connected to the 5 volt of the Arduino. The VRX axis is connected to the analog pin A0. VRY axis is connected to the analog pin A1. The SW signal pin is connected to the digital pin 7. Now I will show you how you can interface your joystick to the Arduino and how it can works. Thus this is all about the joystick. In the next video I will teach you about the fourth sensor, that is the RGB LED. For more updates join our online courses, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.